Buying a home is a big step. It's exciting and maybe a little scary, but don't worry, millions have done it before you. This guide will help you navigate the process. We'll break it down into easy steps. Remember, buying a house is personal. It's about finding the perfect place for you and your family. It's about creating a space that reflects your style and dreams. This is more than just a transaction. It's an investment in your future. It's about building a foundation for years to come. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before you start looking at houses, you need to know your budget. This is the foundation of your home buying journey and will guide you in making informed decisions. This means figuring out how much you can afford to spend each month. It's crucial to be realistic and thorough in this step to avoid future financial stress. Start by looking at your income and expenses. Track every source of income and list all your monthly expenses, including utilities, groceries, and entertainment. How much money do you have left over after paying bills? This leftover amount is what you can potentially allocate towards a mortgage payment. This is important for knowing how much you can afford for a mortgage payment. Remember to leave some room for unexpected expenses and emergencies. Next, check your credit score. This 3-digit number plays a significant role in your ability to secure a mortgage. Your credit score is a number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. It reflects your credit history and financial behavior. A higher score means you're more likely to get approved for a loan and get a better interest rate. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. If your score is low, work on improving it before you apply for a mortgage. Pay off outstanding debts, avoid new credit inquiries, and ensure all your bills are paid on time. Finally, save for a down payment. This is a crucial step that can significantly impact your mortgage terms and monthly payments. A down payment is a percentage of the home's price that you pay up front. The more you can put down, the less you'll need to borrow. It's usually between 3% and 20% of the purchase price. A larger down payment can also help you avoid private mortgage insurance. Saving for a down payment takes time, so start early. Set up a dedicated savings account and consider automating your savings to make the process easier. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is crucial. It shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. It also gives you a clear idea of how much you can borrow. To get pre-approved, you'll need to contact a mortgage lender. They will look at your financial information. This includes your income, credit score, and debts. The lender will then tell you how much they are willing to lend you. They'll also give you an interest rate. Getting pre-approved can make your offer stronger. It shows the seller you're ready to buy. Now comes the fun part, house hunting. This is an exciting journey where you get to explore different homes and envision your future in them. Start by thinking about what you need in a home. Make a checklist of your must-haves and nice-to-haves to guide your search. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Consider the size of your family and any future plans you might have. What kind of layout do you prefer? Consider your lifestyle. Do you need an open floor plan for entertaining or separate rooms for privacy? Do you need a big backyard for kids or pets? Think about outdoor space for activities and relaxation. Do you prefer a quiet neighborhood or one that's close to the action? Proximity to schools, work, and amenities can be crucial. Once you have a good idea of what you're looking for, start your search online. Use real estate websites and apps to browse listings. Websites and apps can help you find homes for sale in your area. Filter your search based on your criteria to narrow down the options. When you find a few houses you like, schedule viewings with a real estate agent. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the process. They can help you find homes that meet your needs and budget. With their expertise, you can make informed decisions and find the perfect home for you and your family. Section 5. Making an offer. Negotiation and acceptance. When you find a house you love, it's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will help you determine a fair price to offer. Your offer will include the purchase price and any contingencies. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the sale to go through. The seller can accept, reject, or counter your offer. If your offer is countered, you can negotiate until you reach an agreement. Once your offer is accepted, you'll sign a purchase agreement. This is a legally binding contract. Section 6. Inspections and appraisal. Ensuring a sound investment. After your offer is accepted, you'll need to get the home inspected. A home inspector will check for any problems with the house. This includes the roof, foundation, plumbing, and electrical systems. If the inspector finds any problems, you can ask the seller to fix them. You'll also need to get an appraisal. This is an estimate of the home's value. The lender will use this to make sure they aren't lending you more than the home is worth. These steps protect your investment. They make sure you're buying a home that's in good condition. Section 7. Closing time. The final steps to ownership. Closing is the final step in the home buying process. This is when you sign all the paperwork and officially become a homeowner. You'll need to bring a photo ID and a cashier's check for your closing costs. Closing costs are expenses associated with buying a home. Your lender will give you a closing disclosure. This document outlines all the costs associated with your loan. Once you sign all the papers, you'll get the keys to your new home. Section 8. Common pitfalls for first-time buyers. Buying a home can be tricky. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved helps you know your budget and shows sellers you're serious. Skipping the home inspection. The home inspection protects you from unexpected problems. Underestimating closing costs. Closing costs can add up, so be prepared. Not shopping around for a mortgage. Different lenders offer different interest rates and terms. Falling in love with a house before making an offer. Be objective and think about your needs and budget. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can navigate the home buying process with confidence. Section 9. The joys and rewards of home ownership. Owning a home is more than just having a place to live. It's about creating a sanctuary, a personal haven where you can truly be yourself. It's a place where you can create memories that last a lifetime, from birthday celebrations to quiet evenings in the backyard. It's a place to call your own, a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Home ownership allows you to personalize your living space in ways that renting simply doesn't. You can paint the walls any color you like, renovate the kitchen to suit your culinary adventures, and create a garden that brings you joy. It's your space to make your own, a canvas for your creativity and dreams. Owning a home can also be a good investment, offering financial benefits that renting cannot. As you pay down your mortgage, you build equity, which is a valuable financial asset. Equity is the portion of your home that you own outright, and it can grow over time, adding to your net worth. But most importantly, Home ownership provides stability and security, offering a sense of permanence and belonging. It's a place to put down roots, build a future, and create a legacy for you and your family. A home is more than just a building. It's where life happens. Section 10. Welcome home. Buying your first home is a huge accomplishment and a significant milestone. It's a journey that requires patience, preparation, and a little bit of faith. But the rewards are truly immeasurable. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Real estate agents, lenders, and inspectors are there to guide you through the entire process. So, take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and enjoy the ride. Welcome to the next exciting chapter of your life as a homeowner.